everyone, welcome back to Christmas City. I hope you all joined us last week for our poinsettias from Mexico. Today we will be traveling to Finland to explore a Finnish Christmas tradition. And this tradition is also very common in Sweden and Denmark as well as some other European countries. I don't know about you all, but one of my favorite things about the holidays is the food. I don't really think it gets much better than Thanksgiving and Christmas foods and pie and everything. Oh my gosh, it's so good. And that's true in Finland as well. Traditionally, at the end of the Christmas meal, everyone is served a bowl of rice porridge with some cinnamon and sugar sprinkled on top. And when they make it, whoever makes the pot of porridge hides one almond in it. And then when it's served, that almond is in someone's bowl and nobody knows who has the almond. So they eat, and it's a little bit of a competition to see who got the almond. And then when they finish, they obviously know who got it, and that person is said to have good fortune in the coming year. Now, for our activity today, we don't want to waste any delicious food. And so we aren't going to use rice porridge, but we're going to do something a little bit similar. We're going to be doing an inedible version of this activity. So for that, our supplies, well, first, let's back up and let's make sure that we have stamped our passports from last week. So we should now have 2 stickers on our passport to show that we did the parole ornaments the first week and then the poinsettias last week. So if you haven't done that, go ahead and do that now, and then you can just set that to the side. And then we'll get started. For this activity, you will need spoons, and all of these supplies will be in your bags that you'll pick up. Some slime. Got some fun galaxy slime. Some Jelly Belly jelly beans. Those are gonna be our almonds. And a bowl. Now I already put my slime in the bowl, so I'm gonna set this extra slime off to the side. And you can, play with the slime if you want. It feels kind of weird. It's pretty cold and slimy. And then I'm going to open up my jelly beans. This activity will take a little bit of prep beforehand because you have to hide the jelly bean in the slime. So I'm gonna take a jelly bean. I think this one's black licorice. Gross. And I'm just going to kind of stick it in there, and then you just gotta make sure it's hidden in there really well. And make sure nobody eats these jelly beans after you find them, because the slime is going to make them not able to be eaten. If you have extras, by all means eat them. But okay, so my jelly bean is hidden in there. So for this activity, you are going to take your spoon, and everybody has to use a spoon, and you just kind of have to fish around in there and try to find your jelly bean. And the first person to find theirs and pull it out wins. So that is the activity, and we will do it together now. All right, everybody. We know the rules. On your mark, get set, go.
I really do think it dissolved in here. Oh, there it was, right there. There you go. I'll take number 2. There you go. No, that's not.
I just say yes. There we go. Come on, Kathy. Come on. You lied to me. Come on.
There you go. Yay!
We all won.
We're all winners in God's eyes.